Hello everyone, this is my review of the Amazon Basics number 10 Security Tinted Self-Seal Business Letter Envelopes are an excellent choice for everyday mailing needs. This pack of 500 ensures you have a large supply of high-quality envelopes on hand for both personal and professional use. The security tint provides added privacy, making them ideal for mailing sensitive documents. The self-seal closure is incredibly convenient. No need for licking or additional adhesive. Just peel and press to securely seal the envelope. The standard number 10 size fits most business letters and documents perfectly, and the durable material prevents tearing during transit. These envelopes are reliable, affordable, and well designed for efficiency. I recommend them for home or office use, and I hope this review helps.